Hello students, good morning. I'm Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 15 of English. The name of the book is Open Skies and the name of the chapter is What Happened to Our Letters. Dear students, in this chapter we will discuss there are three characters in this chapter, in this story. There is a conversation between Vinod and Raju. Both are the students and both live in a hostel, and both were talking about a letter. Okay, what happens to the letter? Suppose if he will deliver the letter to anyone, then how it will reach? Okay, and what are the process to send a letter? Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss what happens to our letters. There is a conversation between Raju and Vinod, and at the end of the story, at the end of the chapter, you will also find one more character, that is postman. Okay, students, so just open your book of Open Sky. It is given at the page number 123, page number 123. You can see, just see Vinod and Raju. I hope that you all have got the lines. Okay, page number 123, and just see Vinod and Raju live in school hostel. There are two boys, Vinod and Raju, both live in a school hostel. One afternoon, Vinod went to the Raju room. One afternoon, what happened? Vinod went to the Raju room. Raju was sitting at his table, and Raju was sitting at his table in his room. Okay, and he was reading, and Raju was also reading. Okay, one afternoon, what happened? Vinod went to the Raju room, and he was sitting on a chair and he was reading something. What he was reading, we will discuss in the next paragraph. Just see here. Now, just see. From here, there is a conversation between Vinod and Raju. You can see. Vinod is saying, asking, "What are you reading, Raju?" Vinod is asking, "What are you reading, Raju?" Raju is replying, "I have just received a letter from my father." Raju was giving the answer, replying that he had just received a letter from his father and I am reading it. And he was saying, Raju was saying that he is reading that letter. He has written to me after a long time. Raju was saying that his father has written him a letter after a long time. So he got the letter, Raju got a letter, and that was the letter from his father, who has sent the letter after a long time, and he was reading that letter. Okay, so just see, come to the next. Vinod, I have got a letter from my brother. Vinod is also saying, Vinod is saying he has also got a letter from the side of brother. Okay, Vinod got the letter from the side of brother and Raju got from his father. Just see. Just see, Vinod is saying, I have got a letter from my brother 3 days ago. And he was saying that Vinod was saying that he got the letter from his brother 3 days ago. 3 days ago. It means 3 days before. Just see. I have got a letter from my brother 3 days ago and I haven't yet replied. And he said that, Vinod said that although he got the letter from his brother 3 days ago, but he did not reply. It means he did not send the reply. He did not send the letter to his brother. Okay. So just see here. I have got the letter from my brother 3 days ago and I haven't yet replied. Now, what is Raju saying? Haven't you? Then why don't you reply it now? He was asking, now Raju, why haven't you not replied? Then Vinod is saying, but I have used my all inland letters. Inland letters, it is a kind of letter that we use in our country, within the country. Okay, inland letter. It means he has not postcard, you can say. He has not letter pad or postcard. Therefore, he was unable to write. He was unable to reply. Okay, just see here. Why don't you reply it now? Vinod was saying, but I have used all my inland letters. It means he has not extra inland letters. Therefore, he couldn't send the reply. Just see, students. Now Raju is saying, I can give you one. Raju was saying that he can give him one more inland letter to reply the brothers. Just see here. I can give you one. Here it is. And he also gave. Raju gave a inland letter, an inland letter to Vinod. And just here, here it is. Sit down and write. Here is also saying sit down. Raju said to Vinod, sit here and write down the reply for his brother. Just see. I will also write to my father. And Raju is also saying that he will also write to his father. And you also, Vinod, you also write to your brother. Okay, it means now both are writing the letter. But Raju is writing to his father. But Vinod is writing to his brother. Okay. Just see here. I will also write to my father. Then we can go and post the letter together. And Raju was saying that after completing the letter, after replying, after writing the letter, both will post the letter. Okay, together. Okay, students, I hope that you all are understanding the things. If you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask. Now, both sat down. Vinod sat down and wrote his letter. And now Vinod sat down and he also wrote a letter. Raju took out another inland letter. Raju took out another inland letter and wrote to his father. Okay, Raju was writing a letter to his father, but Vinod is writing a letter to his brother. Okay, Raju finished his letter quickly, and Raju finished his letter very quickly. He writes very fast, and just see, he writes very fast. And Raju finished his letter quickly, but Vinod was writing his first page. But Vinod was writing on the first page of the letter. Okay, of the inland letter. Okay, it means both are writing, both are replying, both are writing a letter. Vinod is writing a letter to his brother, and Raju is writing a letter to his father. Okay, now Raju is saying, you haven't written a page yet. Now he was saying you haven't written a page yet. तुम अभी तक एक पेज भी नहीं लिख पाए. To whom he was asking? He was asking to Vinod. Okay, I have already done the page, students. I have already finished my letter. And Raju was saying that he has already finished his letter. And you haven't written a single page. Now hurry up. Raju is saying to Vinod to hurry up. Jaldi karo. And Vinod, I have also finished my letter. Now Vinod have also finished his letter. Okay, Vinod has also finished his letter. यानी कि विनोद भी अब लिख चुका है. It is exactly a page. It is exactly a page. Let's now go to the letter box. Now both are going for the letter box. In the market we find the letter box, and I think you all have seen the letter box. There is a letter box. Here it is written the opening time and the closing time, and there is a you can say hole in which people put, or you can say drop the letter. Okay, let's see. Vinod, I have also finished my letter. It is exactly a page. Let's now go to the letter box. Now both are going to the letter box to deliver the letter. They went to the letter box. दोनों letter box के पास गए and put the letter into it. Okay, in the letter box. Just then a man came, and after some times a man came. वहाँ पे एक आदमी आया. He was from the post office, and that man was from the post office. He was the worker, okay, of the post office. Just see, He was from the post office and is called the postman. Who was that man? That man was postman. Okay. He opened the letter box and took out the letters. And took out the letters means he took out, उसने से क्या किया, जितने भी letters थे सभी को निकाल लिया. Okay. Now Raju to the postman. Now there is a conversation between Raju and postman. अब राजू किससे बात करेगा? Postman से. Postman से he was asking the question, excuse me, what will exactly happen to these letters now? कि ये जो लेटर इसमें पड़े हैं अब इस लेटर का क्या होगा? Who is asking? Raju is asking to whom? He was asking to postman. Just say, excuse me, what will exactly happen to these letters now? Please tell us about it. Now Raju is requesting to the postman to tell him about what will happen of all these letters which he took from the letter box. Now just see, postman is replying, all right, I will tell you. Now postman is saying that he will tell him what will happen of all these letters. I take these letters to the post office. And he was saying, postman is saying that he will take all the letters to the post office. Okay, take these letters to the post office and stamp them with the postmark. इसको क्या करेगा? लेटर्स को पहले पोस्ट ऑफिस ले जाएगा, उस पे क्या करेगा? पोस्ट मार्क लगाएगा. ओके. And now just see, Raju, do you put new postage stamp on the letter? He was asking because Raju is not aware of all these things. He does not know what will happen of the letters. So he was asking the question to the postmaster. Let's see here. Do you put a postage stamp on the letter? क्या postage stamp पे नया postage stamp लगाते हैं? No, we put a postmark on a stamp. He was saying that he only put the stamp on the postmark. Okay. Then we put the letter in the bags. उसके बाद वो क्या करता है? लेटर्स को बैग में भरता है. We send the bags to the different places by bus, train and aeroplanes. And he was saying that after putting the postmark, okay, after putting the stamp on the postmark, he sent the letters to the places, okay, by bus, by train and by aeroplane. The post office in those days places receive the bags and take out the letters. और जो उस जिले में जहाँ पे भेजना रहता है, उस जिले के जो पोस्ट मैन होंगे, पोस्ट ऑफिस होंगे, वहाँ पे जाएगा, वो लेटर्स वहाँ पे चला जाएगा, फिर वहाँ के लोग उस पोस्ट लेटर्स को निकालेंगे, फिर जहाँ का एड्रेस होगा वहाँ पे भेज देंगे. तो see students, it is written here, we send the bag to the different places by bus, train and aeroplane. The post offices in those places receive the bag, okay, and take out the letters. उस letters को निकालेंगे. The postman in those post offices then deliver the letter to the addressee, and the postman of that particular post office, he will deliver the letter to the addressee. Addressee means जिसके नाम से वो लेटर रहेगा उसको क्या करेंगे? भेजेंगे, देंगे. Now Vinod is asking. Now Vinod is asking the question to postman. What he was asking? The addressee. Who are they? Addressee कौन होता है? So just here, postman took out a letter and showed it to the Vinod. Postman तुरंत एक लेटर निकाला और विनोद को दिखाया. क्या दिखाता है? Now read this address. पोस्टमैन एक लेटर निकाल के उसको दिखाता है कि अब इसको पढ़ो. विनोद पढ़ता है. विनोद रीडिंग टू श्री नारायण पांडे 90/75 महिंद्रा बैंक, महिंद्रा पार्क, दिल्ली. ओके, ये क्या है? किसी व्यक्ति का एड्रेस है. पोस्टमैन ने एक लेटर निकाला और उनको एड्रेस दिखा दिया. पोस्टमैन इज सेइंग, सो नारायण पांडे इज द एड्रेस ऑफ दिस लेटर. इट मीन्स हियर द नेम whose name is mentioned here on the main page, on the cover of the envelope, okay, that name is known as addressee. okay, जैसे टू लगा के जो भी नाम लिखते हैं वो क्या होता है? एड्रेसी. ओके, जिसको हम एड्रेस करते हैं लेटर. Yes, yeah. So Narayan Pandey is addressee of this letter. So now postman is giving the answer. Postman is saying to Vinod what he was saying. So Narayan Pandey is the addressee of this letter. The postman in Delhi will deliver this letter to him. And though the address is written here Delhi, so the postman of Delhi, those who is doing job there in Delhi, he will deliver this letter to Narayan Pandey. Okay. Now Vinod is saying thank you. Now Raju pointed at the writing on the letter box. राजू ने फिर उस जो लेटर बॉक्स पे कुछ टाइमिंग लिखा रहता है उसको पॉइंट आउट किया. नेक्स्ट क्लियरेंस एट 5 PM. देयर वाज रिटन एट 5 PM. नेक्स्ट क्लियरेंस मीन्स अगली निकासी कब होगी? 5 PM पे होगी. ठीक है. राजू, व्हाट डज दिस मीन? राजू वाज आस्किंग टू द पोस्टमैन, व्हाट डज दिस मीन? इसका क्या मतलब? पोस्टमैन, a postman from the post office will come again at 5 o'clock and take out the letters. And now the postman is saying, replying that again at the time of 5 o'clock another postman will come and he took out all the letters at 5 PM. Okay, so just see here. Raju, what does this mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? Postman, a postman from the post office will come again at 5 o'clock and take out this letter. How many times do you come every day? And now Raju is asking, how many times do you come every day? कि एक दिन में आप कितनी बार लेटर्स को निकालने के लिए आते हैं? And just here, postman is giving the answer 2 times. Postman is replying 2 times. I have come now to collect the letters. वो बोला कि अभी देखो मैं अभी आया हूँ कलेक्ट करने के लिए. In the morning I shall again come for collecting the letters at 5 o'clock. And again the postman will come at 5 o'clock to take out the letters. Now, excuse me, I must hurry up. Now, the postman says that he is in hurry, so he will leave that place. Okay, students, so now just here. Raju and Vinod then went to the school library. अब Raju और Vinod स्कूल के लाइब्रेरी में गए and asked for the librarian for the book which could give them some basic information about the post office. And both are asking, Raju and Vinod was asking a book that is related to the post office. The librarian gave them a book and the librarian gave them a book. It had beautiful pictures in it and there was also pictures in that book and told them the story of the post office. And he also told the story of the post office. It also told the story. इसमें जो पिक्चर्स दिए थे वो सब बता रहे थे स्टोरी, कहानी बता रहे थे कि पोस्ट ऑफिस कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ. It was very interesting story and that story of post office was very interesting. In the olden days there were no post offices. पहले के समय में पोस्ट ऑफिसेस बहुत कम थे, नहीं थे. Kings and very rich people send their letters to the distant place through the messengers. उस समय में लोग किसके थ्रू अपने मैसेज कन्वे करते थे? मैसेंजर्स के थ्रू. कौन करता था? जो रिच आदमी रहते थे, किंग्स रहते थे, वही केवल क्या करते थे? मैसेंजर. मैसेंजर मीन्स कोई व्यक्ति को भेज के संदेशा पहुंचवाते थे. King and very rich people send their letters to the distant places through messengers. Other people had no messengers. Other जो गरीब लोग थे या नॉर्मल लोग थे, they had no messengers and so did not send letter at distant places. So it was not easy to send messages at that time to the distant places. Then the government opened the post offices. उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट ने ओपन किया पोस्ट ऑफिसेस and people began to send letters to far off places. And from that time people started sending letters from to the far off places. दूर दूर तक लोग भेजने लगे. But in the early days letter were expensive. And early days letter were expensive. Expensive means costly. पहले क्या थे? लेटर्स महंगे थे. Now they are cheap. But nowadays it is very cheap. Okay. And you all know that in the present scenario people are using various email, WhatsApp, messengers in the mobile. Okay, so the craze of the sending letters is getting down. Okay, students, so this is all about the chapters. You read this chapter once again, and your homework is to complete the word meaning of this chapter. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss some new things. That's all for today. Thank you.